Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to start keto diet. A keto diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, low-carb eating plan that helps your body burn fat instead of carbs for energy. Firstly, eat 50 grams of carbs or less per day. Focus on cutting out sugar, bread, pasta, rice, and most fruits. Choose good fats like avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. Include enough protein daily, especially if you work out like meat, eggs, fish, or tofu. Also, drink lots of water and avoid sugary drinks. Stick to water, tea, or black coffee. Also, use ketone test strips available at pharmacies to check if you're in ketosis. Also, before starting keto, consult a doctor or dietitian, especially if you have health conditions. The benefits of the keto diet is weight loss, better mental focus on clarity, low blood sugar, reduced inflammation, fewer symptoms in epilepsy and neurological disorders, low blood pressure, and improved health of your heart. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.